So we're about to bake brownies. I'm preheating the oven. Gotta preheat that to 175 degrees, standard. Yeah, we have the butter. I'm about to light that up. You know the vibes. I already preheated the oven. We're about to get into that, and I got my butter in the microwave melting. Alright, let's get into that. As you can see, I just added that sugar in there as well. It's about to be a vibe. It's not a secret recipe. You gotta get it looking like that. If it's not looking like that, you're playing. I have 2 eggs. And that. And then we're gonna get that in there. A teaspoon of vanilla extract in there. Yeah. This is what it looks like after I've added the butter, the sugar, the vanilla extract, and the eggs. It's almost like a creamy golden look, and that is perfect. A 1/4 teaspoon. And with that, I'm going to add some baking powder. Let me open that. This should be messy, so you gotta watch out. Baking powder into my mix. A 1/4 teaspoon salt. I use table salts because it is well refined and it's not playing games like this. Mix that in. Mix that in. Don't look at me. Here we have the same look, except this time it's a bit lighter. You'll be able to notice a bit better when you're doing it yourselves, because obviously you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. But right now it's got a creamy consistency because of the flour, and that's exactly what we need. Get it all the way to the brim without making it messy. 1/3 cocoa powder, and we're gonna add that into the mix. Exactly what we want. That is exactly what we want. Yeah, my oven is ready. I'm gonna finish this mix, get it into the pan, and it's about to be lit. But yeah, you still have some powder on the edges. It's okay. I'm gonna get it into there. At the end of the day, these brownies gonna be fire. You need 1/2 cup for flour. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna add that flour in. Anyway, so it's gonna dry it out. Just basically, I'm gonna mix that in. And as you can see, let me show you before I get into the mixing. You can see, it looks like that. It's like, so we're going outside, because you can't do that inside. That's toxic gas, you know. You don't want to get that in your face, toxic fumes. But basically, yeah, what I did was I added my non-stick spray to my pan. So before, this is what the batter looks like. Looks creamy, looks chocolatey. You playing. Okay, we're adding that in to the pan. Tastes good. Tastes good overall. This is what we're talking with. This is where it's about to go. So, after you've inserted that, you get it to 25, and you let that sit. Do what you gotta do and